This time, meron naman tayong bagong bike check, and this bike check is from Bikeworx Binyan again, ano? And this matinding bike is from Java Suprema AERO Carbon. Wow! So matindi, no? So Java, Suprema, AERO, and Carbon na. So let's check it, ano? As we always go, as we always do, check natin yung kanyang frame. So for its frame, yun nga, no? AERO Carbon frame with press fit BB. So as you can see, no, kita-kita nyo naman yung pagiging AERO Carbon niya, no? AERO design at internal cabling. At ayun, napaka-smoothy. Yan, no? Kita, ganda ng pagkakasetup, ano? So mga gusto ng pangbakbakan dyan, ano? Ayan, no? Ganda ng frame ni Java Suprema Carbon frame. Oh, yummy, ano? So mamaya babagitin natin yung price niya para interested, why not, ano? Just contact Bikeworx. Yummy, yummy. Okay? So for its fork naman tayo ay ayan. So makita nyo, nakalagay sa likod yung brake, ano? Siguro ganun yung design kapag AERO, talagang para mabawasan yung drag. At nakalagay yung dynamic airflow braking system. Braking system. Ayan, so dynamic airflow braking system. Kanyang fork. And for its cockpit, it has ayan, parang ang tawag yung DECA ariete na stem na parang ano tawag dun, sa buo na siya, hindi siya katulad ng ibang bike na hiwa-hiwalay pa yung stem dun sa drop bar, no? Yummy, oh. Ooh. So meron din siyang DECA na levers. Ano to? Yan yung kanyang seat post na yun. DECA and DECA saddle. Okay? Yan yung kanyang ano. Diyan na tayo sa kanyang drivetrain. It has a DECA crank na 34 and 50 teeth, no? And yung kanyang FD, ayan, ang SHIMANO 105 R7000. Ito yung nagpadagdag na sa kanya, yung green chain, chain niya na ano, no? Na gold, and yung cassette na gold, and yung RD niya na SHIMANO 105 R7000. 11 speed na pala to, no? Si Java Suprema. Ayan, no? Yummy! So, ganda, no? Sa mga nangangarap dyan na gano, no? Mga need for speed dyan. No? Pwede sa inyo to, no? So, for the tires and rim, it has a Michelin Dynamics Sport na 700 by 25C ang size. So, 700 by 25C. And for the rims, it has a DECA Cativa. Cativa nga ba? DECA Cativa para sa kanyang rims. And sana tayo. Yun nga, no? So, yung levers niya, hindi ko alam yung brand ng levers, no? Hindi ko alam, baka DECA rin or something else. So, pinakita ko lang yung front and the rear calipers niya. Okay, so another pick for the appreciation of the more appreciation of this AERO bike. For the SRP of the Java Suprema is around 56,000 pesos lang. So 56,000 for the SRP. Again, you might want to use our magic word para sa ito, no? Kay Sir Jesse, ano sabi niya? Sir Jesse bigyan, man, naka-discount sa ating SRP, ano? Malay mo. Or other freebies na pwedeng ma-avail upon purchase, ano? And this magic word is only for discount and not for anything else. Ano? Okay? So Jesse Bigyan, may maka-discount sa ating Java Suprema dyan. Again, they ship nationwide through different payment options or through bank deposit or online transfer through BDO, BPI, Metrobank, and GCash. Siyempre, with additional shipping cost for shipping from Luzon to Mindanao, hanggang Mindanao. They also book delivery via Lalamove within Cavite, Laguna, and Metro Manila. So you can always contact them, PM their active page naman, madali naman sila mag-reply. So again, this will be all for now mga kasipa, and hope to see you na in the next video. And kaya again, you can always leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And share. Malaking bagay yung pag-share na yan sa ating channel. Malaking bagay sa ating share yung mga pag-comment nyo. So comment kayo, baka may kulang tayo or something for improvement. And ayun, yung mga inquiries nyo, you can always, so again, this will be all for now for the comment, for our improvements. Diyan lang, comment lang kayo dyan. Okay? Thank you and God bless.